Since the people big up on yourself and you don't know, say New Link there from New Link Production. You don't know? Alright, first of all, before me even go into me I talk about, you know, but just want to big up to each and everyone who did support the New Link Kid Street, who contribute, who give them donation, give them love, give them support. Big up on yourself. Look forward to see you now and say whole it more for 2020. Blessings. Well, people, right about now, Zin, I'm going to talk about this thing right now. Because the news has reached New Link, you know, people, about the incident that took place on Wednesday evening in Montego Bay. You get me, I say? And this incident involving the life that was cut off for a 34-year-old painter man them say. You get me? And this took place in a place in Montego Bay in St. James, them call him Mango Walk. Kaiti said that on Wednesday evening, sometime after 11 p.m., this man, 34-year-old man, he live in a community close to Mango Walk where them call him Norwood. You understand? And them say, him decides that him go check him girlfriend. So boom, reach up there now, go link him girlfriend and they and girlfriend house. You understand? In the bedroom with him and him girlfriend. So it is said that now people, while them inside the room now, two men managed to come inside the house, people, and fire several shots hitting this painter man. Them said the girlfriend managed to escape and hurt, and the two men them let them escape. Police come on the scene, boom, them, you know what I mean, they carried to hospital where he was pronounced dead and everything. But in this thing now people, when you only go on to say, this painter brother now, what could he have done to get this? I don't know. Many out there don't know. And who may know. But this girlfriend now, people, don't you think that the police need to do some investigation to this girlfriend? And you know what I mean? Because, you know, people, I'm not saying, you don't know, say, and every man, from a man do something sometime and then come for him, you know, some man would spare somebody's life. You get what me I say? But in the end, she managed to escape and hurt. They managed to come inside the house. You get me I say? So, is this thing I look like some setup to me? So you see this girlfriend and now, to be honest now, I'm not going to accuse her and say she involved in nothing or she did nothing. Zine, but the police, them need to conduct some serious investigation upon this girl right about now. Zine, because too much time and many times I say we are woman set up man them way there, you know, people. The girlfriend something, you know, because sometimes the girlfriend something, you know, and don't know some man maybe page the girlfriend and say, look here, you may say, you know, it's the boy there, me I go want him head. Zine, if you not get him head, me I go take your head, your mother head, your father head, your sister, brother head, and in the end, she have to give up the boy head. Just saying. You know what I mean? Me not see. I hit me no people listen when you link I say. So deep inside now, me not trust them thing you want to go on your side, you know. Zine, but this youth you know people, as I see him picture, look on him picture, him look very serious. Which you can't judge a man by him look. You get me I say? So you can't say my bad man too where look. He's a painter as to where them say see a picture, me show a picture where you see him with a tool I using him hands head way. So you know what I mean, he's a working man, know him look at trade work and thing, but boy, something alright. Zine, but definitely I can say something go down. Wish him do get caught up in and wish them decide they might take him up. But the two man them do them thing escape, girlfriend escape and everything. So right now I leave everything up to the police. Make them conduct them investigation. Make them can find out what them a find out. But all me can say, I hope them interrogate this girl now and try to find out any details so them can find out toward this thing. But in the end, when you link all those and say to the man them, yo, if you don't know now mix up in our wrongs with people, virgin, you know now go be dishonest with people, if you know now go around people who not do it. Any man out there we a contractor, now go give the youth them work, you know. Remember when you link a tell you know, when I go give the youth them work and want underpay the youth them, and when the youth them come Friday and them forget them look money if you go floss and drink and if you send them look you go to school and not give them. Remember, you know, mankind heart is different now. So any contractor boy out there, pay the man them money. Any trade man out there have a labourer, the man out the man want give them their money, pay them their money. New Link go attack panda one day. So here when New Link say people, anybody out there who are work the people, man want pay them the money. Anybody out there play unfair games, anybody out there go around people in the time, yo, fix it up because in the end, them people are we fixing up too. Me no want that. So when me I tell you no to do, stay upon the safer lane. You don't know the thing go. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know this is New Link from New Link Production and I'm coming to you with another one. You don't know people. If you haven't subscribed already, do it now. You subscribe now. Then you hit the bell icon then that's so you know when New Link drop the video them. them are going to pop up to you. You don't know, people, if you want to purchase the new link hoodie them, the new link tights them for the ladies, click the link below. You will see it and there. Just click on it and you go see it. Boom, purchase a nice hoodie them on. You don't know, represent for the new link brand because it are in the place right now. You don't know, people, follow new link on Instagram. New link _ production. You know, it's a new Instagram page to build people. The other one, I don't know, for some reason it has been deleted and gone. So now we have a new Instagram page. So follow new link. That's how you can see the new thing on new link. And remember to check out new link on Facebook, the new link production Facebook page. I don't know the thing of people. Enough love, enough respect. New link production, Twitter too, with it everywhere. So big up on yourself, people. Everyone in Jamaica, enough love, enough respect. Stay safe. Turks and Caicos, the whole Caribbean, England, America, Canada, Europe, Africa, Japan. Anyway, attack.